Good morning. Today I just kind of felt like getting ready, like just something super chill. I'm going for an eye appointment today, and then me and my mom are going for lunch, and then we're gonna go look for a dress for her for my wedding. It won't be anything too crazy, just because I think they're gonna be like obviously zooming in on my eyeballs. Oh, I haven't filmed in such a long time. My last video was an empties video, which I actually quite enjoyed, but I had so many empties that I was just kind of like, it was so hard to give a true opinion about everything because I couldn't remember the last time I used it. So what's the point of doing a review if you can't remember the product? So bruh. But I recently just sprayed my face with the Badescu. I recently just put in a Sephora order, and it was one of those Christmas sets. It was actually a really good deal. So it was $19 for this and the drying lotion. And the drying lotion, oh my god, that thing works a little too aggressive because it kind of burns my face a little, but then it actually dries out my pimples. Yeah, and normally like that on Amazon goes for like 20 something. I don't know if Amazon just like jacks it up, but just putting on this serum, it's very moisturizing. I love it. Next, I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs coconut primer. Very moisturizing. I love this one. I've been moisturizing my face quite a bit because I don't know what happened, but a couple weeks ago, probably mid-October till now, my face has been blowing up in acne, but not just like cute little, oh, I have a pimple. They are like giant cystic under the skin acne pimples. I wouldn't even call them a pimple. They don't even deserve to be called a pimple. They're just, ugh. I went back to my cream, my acne cream. I don't know what it is, but part of me wants to cure my acne on my own. I don't know why. Like, I want to find products, do it, get rid of my acne on my own with like finding the right product and being like, yeah, I did that, you know? So no, I had to go to my acne cream that I got prescribed a long time ago. It's called, what is it? I can't remember. It's in a long tube. It's a little pump, and I think the trade name is Tactipump. It's very aggressive, but it works wonders. And anyways, moral of the story of me using hydrating primers is that it dries the shit out of your face. It got rid of, like, I have all my scarring. Obviously, I have so much scarring on my face. Actually, we'll just zoom in and show you guys because I'm not ashamed of my acne. I mean, I've had it forever. It is part of my identity now. Yeah, so I have tons of, these are all like my red scars now, so they're not completely healed yet, but yeah, lots of scarring around my mouth. This is my problem area. And then all the way up to here, which is weird. When I was younger, I would only get it in my T-zone, and then once I turned into an adult, I started getting it on my cheeks, and I don't know why. And then obviously I have some scarring on my forehead. There you go. I'm using the Sonia Kashuk sponge. Look at how ginormous this thing is, but it's so squishy. I got it in San Diego at Target, and I think it was like $6, and it honestly, beach, the best. So good. Let's do the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I'm in 3-in-1, if anyone cares. I love this foundation because it covers my acne like amazing. I love it. And it wears nice all day. And I honestly don't really care if my acne kind of comes through a little bit. I'm not gonna mask everything. It's not the end of the world if I have a couple scars poking through. I don't care. Also, I have not filmed in so long. Look at how long my hair is getting, guys. Like, it's almost at, yeah, it's probably like at like nipple line. The last time I filmed was when I just got my hair done. Oh my god, that was like 6 weeks ago. I was just thinking about next time I need to get my hair done because it's starting to look a little red at the bottoms. Oh my god, this video is gonna be so long, but I haven't filmed in so long. I just need to talk. Yeah, so my hair is getting so long. Also, just got a Fitbit. Love it. I am a Samsung user, and I was thinking Apple Watches are so damn cute looking, you know. I was actually considering to switch back to a Apple just to get a damn Apple Watch. Girls at work had the Fitbit that looks like a cute little Apple Watch, and they're so cheap. Well, compared to an Apple Watch. Anyway, so I just put the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpt Concealer under my eyes. I love it. It's so smoothing. That's one beautiful concealer that I would recommend to every skin type, dry and oily. Yeah. Okay, next I'm gonna set my face. I've been using my Laura Mercier. This is actually was in my kit, but I recently broke it, so I don't want to risk making a mess at people's houses. So I just took it out and might as well use it up so I don't waste it. Other good news, I recently picked up my wedding dress. If you guys follow me on IG, I made a post about it, and it fit like amazing. I barely need to get anything tailored on it. But I'm actually tall enough that I'm not gonna do anything on the bottom, which is apparently where most of it costs. Like, she told me at the store that if I tailored the bottom, or what is the word? Fitted? Alterations. That's what, I don't know why I got so aggressive about it. For alterations, if I had to do the bottom, it would have been $400. Like, to trim the bottom? No. If it's sitting on the floor by like 2 inches, yeah, no, honey, I can live with that. Thank you for your opinion. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Anasazi Bronzer in Cappuccino. It's a little dark, but I got it at Winners, and it was like $12.99, like each. I can't turn that down. So I always have to use like a certain brush with this bronzer, so it's very lightly dusting it, so it's not too aggressive. Or else it just looks like a mud fest in 2 seconds. What was the other thing I was gonna say? Oh, so recently I've been getting my nails done. Sorry, they're a little grown out right now, but I've been getting them done with my friend Kendra, and she's been doing an amazing job, and they're gel, so they've been freaking lasting forever. But the thing I wanted to show you guys was the oil that I buy from her. It's cuticle oil. It's called unicorn oil, and I got it in the scent Skittles. Girls, for one thing, it smells so good, but I am somebody who has nasty ass hangnails because, I mean, at work, I'm constantly washing my hands. I'm always sanitizing, so alcohol, everything's breaking down my skin. So I'm already bad to be moisturizing my skin to begin with. So my nails and my cuticle beds look like shit. And I've seen such a difference with that cuticle oil, and it smells delicious. So would recommend that. So I officially did a makeup certification course, and so I am officially a certified makeup artist, but it was honestly like the coolest experience ever, and it was a little bit pricier, but like worth every penny. Like, we went over like sanitation, skincare, like bridal makeup. We even had an accountant come in and teach us about like taxes, and then, you know, creating your business and being a proper business owner, and, you know, doing your taxes and claiming what you can. Anyways, and then we went over like marketing, and it was just such a cool experience, and I feel like I actually grew so much from it because I already was doing makeup for 3 years prior to that. So like me, I'm already stuck in my ways and my routine, so it was actually quite hard for me to get out of that, and like working with a different kit and different tools, which I ended up bringing some of my own tools and brushes, which I was very happy I did. But regardless, like the products that they gave us were like amazing, and I'm definitely looking into a lot of the brands that they showed us. I'm so happy I did that course. I learned so much from it. The only thing that's kind of tricky is I almost work full-time at a hospital, so that's the part that's been most disappointing after this, is that I literally have like no time to pursue my my business type of thing, because like unless you're a multitasking queen legend, like it's so hard to get, you know, everything you want to get done in a day when I've been at the hospital for the whole day. So like, I don't know, it's been a little hard, but I mean, maybe I'm just being a little bitch about it. With the new year coming up, I will go over my New Year's resolutions. I'm gonna go over with you guys because it holds me accountable. So actually, I think accomplished quite a bit on my New Year's, like goals and tasks. But yeah, maybe that'll be one of my new like 2020 goals, is to actually do more within my business and you know, take the steps. I'm just doing some lash serum. I've been using the IMV for like almost 2 years now. One of the girls that was running the makeup program, she has like a makeup beauty house, and I was watching her stories. She has a lash kind of serum there, and she said that a lot of her clients and customers use IMV, and she got them on that product. So I want to try that product next whenever I have the time to go over there, because dude, IMV is fucking expensive. Like, it's ridiculous. So I'm just using that same bronzer and a big eyeshadow fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M504, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I don't know if I'll start filming a bunch again. I don't know. What do you guys want to watch? Like, do you want to see tutorials? Like, I barely have any makeup tutorials on my page. And like, I don't know, like apparently, like I just have so much random makeup, like lifestyle on my channel. And it's funny, like a lot of my most successful videos are not tutorials. Like, they're just random videos, like hair dyeing videos, reviews, like vlogs, moving vlogs. Okay, next I'm just using some MAC. This is one of my favorite blushes, Gingerly. It's just such a nice, it looks very nude on camera, but it's like a peachy, like a terracotta type blush, like kind of muted, but it does add color to the cheek. So anyways, videos, what do you guys want to see? Do you want to see tutorials? Do you want to see like how-to videos, reviews? I've actually been pretty good lately and not buying tons of makeup and trying to use what I already have. One video I want to do with you guys is a new beauty room tour, because I've changed a lot in my beauty room. Yeah, so I've changed a lot within my vanity too. Like, I have a brand new vanity mirror. I have another IKEA like little drawer set on top of my Alex 5 drawers. Next, I'm gonna try these two mascaras. I got these sent to me. These are the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Uncensored, as well as their primer. I don't use mascara primers often, but I do want to write a little review on the thing. So it was sent by an influencer, which they sent me the mascara as well as a lipstick. I'll probably mention all of them. Like, I'm not scared to give bad reviews. Like, so this formula, so smooth, so buttery, smells disgusting. I will probably never wear this, because why the hell would I put a disgusting smelling product on my face? Like, it kind of smells like, like, oh, it just smells like chemical, floral, paint. Like, it just, I do like the brush of this primer, but I'm not a big fan of the brush of the mascara. Like, just the way that this one is shaped, I'll show you guys. So just the way it's shaped, it kind of gets smaller in the inside, but it's a very like fibrous brush, I guess I should say. And then one thing I have no idea what to do, how long do you let primer sit on your eyelashes? Like, do you have to let it dry down, or do you work when it's tacky? I don't know. I don't use primers. So you see what I mean? Like, it separates them all nice, but it doesn't give them thickness. And I don't want to build up so much that it turns into a clump mess, you know? Next products I've been like absolutely loving. I got the Fenty glosses, Beach. I've never tried a Fenty gloss before this, and girl, they are so nice. So nice. Like, your lips look so juicy. Okay, so I'm just gonna line my lips first. So I'm just gonna put on a little nude liner, and I'm kind of feeling this, you know, orangey one, but don't be alarmed, because they look like they have color in it, but once you put it on, it's not super in your face color, but the gloss is so nice and comfortable. Smells like delicious watermelon candy, which, hey girl, I'm okay with that. The only one that is kind of gritty is this chocolatey brown one, which I'm so sad, because like this was one of the ones I was most excited for. The rest of them are okay, like you don't feel the grit of the glitter in the gloss, but this one you can feel it. They're just so nice, and they last a really long time. This is in the like a holiday package right now at Sephora. They're $50. Can't remember how much it cost, but it's They're so good and I love them. Like I would totally recommend those or buy them for like a gift for somebody else. Simple makeup, get ready with me. Oh, these are the things I wanted to show you. So I recently wanted to get new sunglasses, so I went on Key, Australia, and I got some sunglasses. They're in my car, but I really want new glasses. Like, I mean, these are cute and all, but like I've had them for 2 years and I'm kind of over it. I've been wanting to wear either clear blush or nude glasses for so long, and these ones were on the sale for Key. They were only like $35 USD, of course. These are just like the blue filter right now, but how cute are these? Like, do you guys like these? So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. I really enjoyed just doing a chatty get ready with me, just nothing too serious, just to update you guys with what's kind of been going on in my life, since I haven't filmed or recorded or posted in general in such a long time. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe. The big red button is down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.